What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to save a disappearing video on Telegram if the senders allow it. First, open the official Telegram app and go to the chat containing the disappearing video. Open the video and check for a save, share, or download option. If one is available, tap it before the video disappears. If you don't see any of these options, saving has likely been restricted by the sender. In that case, the option is to ask the sender to resend the video as a regular file or video. Keep in mind that once a disappearing video has expired, Telegram doesn't provide an official way to recover it. Screenshots or screen recordings may also be restricted depending on the device and Telegram version. And that's it. If Telegram allows you to save the video, make sure to do it before the timer runs out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Peace.